beats the out of you. Ow!
It looks like it hurts, man.
My spine! Let's try climbing the hill.
You got it!
I'm trying! That was not bad. Okay, now we're gonna go through the mud. What could go wrong?
You're gonna get stuck.
Nuh-uh. Hey, it's not bad. Wow, I'm getting soaking wet.
That's actually incredible.
I'm gonna pull him out.
No!
Hey, we can't get out. Help!
We found their
I
flaw.
think the ovals have a weak spot. Oh my god.
Look at that!
We know we've had the circle for a long time, but we're modernizing, so we're switching to triangles. Built for the smoothest of rides, this wheel was purchased at Custom Offsets. This should not exist, but we are going to do it. Once again, I'm pushing the boundaries of modern travel. You'll